What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist Ed, and today, finally, I have the S25 Ultra, and I don't do unboxings on my channel, so I'm gonna really talk to you about the differences between the S25 and S22 Ultra. So stand by, this video is about to start. And like I said, the video started. This is some shit that came with it, and they got it nicely wrapped. So I got the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So like I said, this is my first time buying a Samsung watch, and I haven't bought a Samsung phone in a long time. And they put all this shit on the box, and I'm gonna have to use the same box to return my S22 Ultra. So this is it. The reason why I got this color, oh man, this bitch feels so good. God damn. Look at that goddamn side. Them sides wicked and satanic. This feels like the Note 4. I remember the Note 4 was one of my favorite phones. So let's do some side-by-side comparisons. Let me see if this bitch gonna turn on. Probably don't have any battery. Want you to hear this. God damn. Probably powerless. So I have a case coming for this bitch soon. I'm gonna stop cussing too. So this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra on the side. And you have the flat screens on the S25 Ultra. When you lay it down, it rocks. Both of these is the rocking stuff, but look at the back of this damn thing. And I have my triple beam scale, but I have to really get a weight difference on this, but it seemed like they are almost identical in weight. And you can see the differences in the height on these two. So this is a comparison in size to the, what is this thing called? The 2023 Razr, broke Razr that I have. The Razr 2023 and iPhone 11. So we got a nice spread here to take so you can see the differences in the size. And these three are identical in size. You know, iPhone always gonna be a little smaller. So I also have the watch, because they're watching all my watches. Trying to get this out of here. So I really like how the edge of the Note 25, I'm gonna just be calling this thing Note 25 the rest of this video. I like how the edge is contrast to the black, almost like a matte finish on the back of this thing. I mean, this color is nice. I really enjoy the choice I made with the black. And supposed to have all this AI stuff. I don't really care about it. I'm trying to get the watch out the box still. So this is the Galaxy watch. It's supposed to have all type of sensors in this thing. And you already see that it didn't come with Let's see if it came with anything to charge with. I think it probably did. So the watch came with charging adapter, or the stuff to charge it with, and I like it. Hey, so the watch, the phone, and I should be able to set this watch on the back of my phone. Oh yeah, you could see that the phone supports the MagSafe. It's getting a nice. Now that might just be the phone, so I'm just playing with this. I haven't had a Galaxy watch. I do have a Huawei watch, and I like it, and it does the same thing on the back of the S25 Ultra. I think the camera's the same. Well, no. Let's see here. This one, or maybe it's just the reflectiveness, but this camera a little wider for some reason. But I'm not a camera channel. You want to check that kind of stuff out, go check out old Barrett Johnson. He's the one who deals with cameras. I deal mostly with the user experience, the user interface, coding and stuff to deal with how good these phones are. What can you get from the phones? Now I'm wishing that they had brought back the good old Bixby button. The edge on this thing just feels good. I mean, it has that nice flat edge, and I could imagine having some nice buttons on the side of here. Easy to get to, so now you won't have to deal with these little small ass buttons. Check out the size of the buttons here. This is a lot easier. Get this and keep us in focus here. And I'm experimenting with a new camera rig here, so that's why you see this stuff going in and out of focus. So the buttons are larger and easier to see. So for people designing cases, look at that little thin button. You have a real size, a real gangster button on the side of here that you really could feel that button. So you won't hear me complaining about button size, and it has the nice slider on the volume, and that's the same thing from the S25, but look like I'm gonna have to do a migration of my data to the new phone, and I can't wait. So this is me just playing around, showing you that the S25 is here. I'm loving it, just like McDonald's. And I don't really love the phones. I mean, I don't love phones, but I do like them. And I promise you, if you go with the titanium silver, titanium ghost silver, whatever they calling it, look, I done scratched it already. But, you know, it won't be a Savage Scientist video without me scratching shit. So, I really think that this phone is off the chain. So, this is the Savage Scientist Ed, making a quick video. And until I make my next one, peace out.